So yesterday I'm working on one of the projects in my company and I'm come to use this feature is called Unpivot Table. So if you have a table and you want to convert that table into something look like this, then this video is for you. So let's come to my screen and I will quickly show you how you can use this feature. Okay, so here on my screen you can see this table. In this table contains product name, unit price and this data. Okay, so what is the problem here? You can see this data is in row format, right? You can see this ABC, what is the data of ABC belongs to this rows, right? And this date is in row format. So this can be cause error or this data is not suitable to do any kind of analysis. So I need to change the structure of this data for further analysis. So what I do, I need this data as a table format. So what that means, I need one column name and its value, right? So in this case, this whatever this highlighted data, I want this data as here the column name is will be date and all the date will be here and all the data for that date 1, right, 1 December will be come along the side. So that's the issue and that's solved using unpivot table. So let's see how you can use unpivot feature into your data. So to use unpivot table, you need to go date tab. In date tab, go to new query. In new query, click on from file, then click from workbook. Okay, so now our data is saved in this Excel file. So I need to choose that particular Excel file. So I go to document, I click on unpivot table and I click on import. Okay, so after that the navigator window will open. Here you can see this sheet 1. So whatever the sheet present to the Excel. So now you can see our data, this data here, right? So just click on edit. After clicking on edit, you can see our data here and this is the advanced feature of Excel. So here you can see our column name is coming first row, that we need to change it back to column name. So for that you can go here and use first row as header. When you click on it, our column name go back to its place. So after that, to use unpivot table, so I want to unpivot only date columns, right? Whatever the date columns that I want to unpivot. So for that I click on first date column and go to last date column and click Ctrl Shift and click on that last column, so that all column selected by one single click. After that, just go to transform and click on unpivot columns. Boom, your data is unpivoted. So what is the use of unpivot? Now you can see here the data is now in table format. The ABC, the unit price, date and whatever the value comes in one single row. So using this structure, this is table structure, you can do analysis and this is very necessary to perform any analysis on any kind of data. So make sure your data in table format. So here we can also change the name of this column. So for that, just click on column name and change the column name. Okay. So double click on it and for saving your work, you need to go home tab and select this close and load. When you click on that, you get one more sheet where your data is now stored. Now you can perform your analysis on your table format data. So that's how you going to use your unpivot feature. That's all for this video. And our that transform video is coming soon. I'm working on it. Until then, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to get knowledgeable video like this. Until then, keep gaining knowledge. Bye bye.